10 a.m., but it's only 3. I don't know why the rush, but still.
Ito ang kasama ko sa upuan.
Want to get to the friendliest road? That's where they have a quick hand. And to our second question, considering entering into Bhutan. On to our last question. The question is, how many parts of this movie series are there in total? Once again, how many parts? How many parts of this movie series are there in total?
7.
Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations to all of you and continue. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the night. For the movie of the answers, together with your cabin, thank you for taking the time specific of part of your important moment.
Now in Bacolod. We just landed and wala na akong charge. I like the pine trees. It reminds me of something. I don't know what is, but it reminds me of something. We're now here at Ida's Chicken in Nassau since 1975. This is what I got so far. I'm so sorry. Ref Magnet. I really love Ref Magnet, so we're gonna check out one. We're gonna buy one. Negros Occidental. I want one kasi pupunta kami dito. Probably one and then another one for Bacolod itself. Ano kayang maganda? I can't pick. Wait, meron pa dito. Let's check the other designs. Then, bibili ko lang ng biskotyo kasi baka gusto nila papa. But, lang. Yeah. Bilahan sana ng biskotyo si Z. Para meron siyang food sa dorm. Damn, I feel like ang dami na nito sa mga tropa pits ko. Bante. Okay na siguro to. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a factory tour. You can already smell it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
We got piaya in here. Sarap siya guys, super.
Story, or saan mo ba talaga nagmula ang box? Ilagay na natin sa ating kamay.
Okay, we're gonna do some piayas. Final product. Final product. We're gonna get it cooked. I don't know. Hindi ko sure. But this is the final product. This is like sesame piaya. Sa piaya. Ano na Jessica So? Mula dito sa Bongbong's Bake Shop, i-amisali na yan! Ano ba talaga ba? Salye? Salye? O di salye, isa pa. Parang wala ako.
Dito sa British! Wala dito sa British area. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Sorry. Okay.
We are currently at City Mall, Bacolod pa rin. And we just finished our trip to Bongbong's. And now, wala, namimili lang ng groceries for tonight. This is Tia. Say hi. Okay na, go ka na doon. So yung might fit, kasi sayang. Feeling ko kasi hindi na kami matutuloy sa Art District, kaya ipapakita ko na siya sa inyo. The day is done. See you all tomorrow. Day 2. Hi guys, good morning. Day 2 here at Bacolod, and actually nagising ako ng 4 with them. Tapos, kaso lang nagluto pa kasi kami and we did a lot of stuff. Kaya, naka-idlip ulit ako. Tapos, ayun na. Nagantay na lang kami ng preparation for that. Yeah. Mamaya, pupunta kami ng Kampwestuhan and ng The Ruins sa mga kadalawang bihis, and I hope mabidyohan ko lahat. So, come with us to breakfast. Thank you, Jessica. Let's try it. Dagat na pala. I put like a lot of sesame seeds here. Kaya di ko rin alam.
Sino yun? Si Ma'am Divine?
Ano?
Ma'am, ito ng ex...
Sino ka mukha ate Pepay? Ay, nakita sa video! Sinakala ko. Vlog! Ay, vlog! Sino ko sa'yo? Sinakala ko.
Where are we? And what can you say? Okay, we're already here at Kampwestuhan. Wow. Look at how big that chicken is. Wow. So apparently it is here in Kampwestuhan where you can locate the Guinness World Record for the biggest chicken statue, and it's in here. Aba, that one. Manok ni Mangkano. Manok ni Kano. This resort is crazy. This is bigger than I expected. This is just 1/2 of everything. There's still more in there. Wow. Okay, we're heading over to the zip line. Yay! Iya, are you excited? Iya.
Oh my God!
Iya. Iya, nagbibidyo ako.
Hi! I'm so excited!
Yes, Cleo.
Yes, yes! I'm so overwhelmed! Oh my God, so my God! Feeling ko dito! Go, go! Hindi ako pinakabahan. Pinakabahan ako! Oh my God! Hindi ako pinakabahan. Parang wala ko na. Okay.
Can you see that? Parang bigla ako nagkaroon ng fear of heights.
This is us before zip lining!
Two of my favorite Oishi foods. And then I got this Oishi mystery charm. You can get 4 designs: bread pan, prawn crackers, pillows, and potato fries. I really want to get pillows kasi yun yung favorite ko. I really want to get pilyo. And hindi ko siya pinapakialaman kasi syempre malalaman ko na yung size. So, let's see who I got. Oh, I got panya, but that's okay. I got panya. Very cute. You know what's so cool about everything that is happening right now is that people here kept on calling me Langga. Like, sige Langga, punta ka na dyan. Langga, gusto mo? And that is just so sweet. I don't know why. It's so sweet for me. I'm just walking by myself during this time of the month, during December. After this, we're gonna be heading over to the ruins. And they actually told us to swim na. But I realized na wala akong dalang underwear na extra. So if I dip my body in the pool, wala na akong ano, but I'll be wet the whole trip. So probably skip swimming in here. Pero tignan ko pa rin yung amenities. Quite big. So you can see. Basta aalis na kami ng Camp Westuhan and I can't show you my outfit yet because I'm reserving that for the next destination, which is the ruins. I was actually rooting for Artistic the most, but since we canceled that out, I'm gonna be rooting for the ruins instead. Bye bye. This is Hey Hey for me. Manok ni Gano, guwapo. Oatmeal soup. Okay. Do I want the keychain? Ones. Meron po kayong wono, kaya mingyu.
Wow, Mingwon sila.
Hindi ako.
Mingwon pala.
Kayo ate ginagawa niyong K-pop tong ano ginagawa niyong Korean tong The Ruins Sabihin. Oh my God, bibigyan ako ni ate ng sticker ng 17.
Ate Mingyo lang, sa kanya mo.
Ay, ang dami! Ate, hindi nabubuhay yung best friend ko nang hindi magkasama si Wono tsaka si ano eh.
Meron kasi ate si Uli.
Tignan niyo yung desk workplace ni ate. Puro 17.
Yes.
Na para bang nasa Korea kami.
Baby. Hala.
So ate, pupunta ka ba next year sa Bulacan?
Hindi mo. Wala kaming pera. Cooking show lang kami, mama. Yan lang po yung ma-afford namin, ma'am. Cooking show. Saan ba ito sa mundo? Ay, ate. Makita ko. June. Yes, June.
Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Gusto ko mamili ng marami. Yan mo na. Para sa akin lang to lahat. And what else? Ito lang. So, I got 3 candles. That means differently. This one means good fortune for brown. Peach means exam and studies. Ano yung peach? Exam, di ba? Exam and study, and then red is life. 3 things I need in life. 3 things I need in life, yeah. I think kung magkakasama sila, it'll make more meaning. So, this, alam ko so, you probably saw my damit na. Ayan, and now we're gonna go. Nandito tayo sa SM North Bacolod for... Hi, Chloe! Teka lang! Hi, Chloe! Ano yung kapatid mo? Ay, ba't yun?
Ay, pag-picture daw mo. Ang lang, sinutulong mo.
Oo. Wait lang. Wait lang, hindi man lang kami nagpipicture. Tapos gusto mo doon 9 p.m. na and we're still here outside nagagala. With Cleo. It's Cleo right there. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Ang Tokyo, Japan na ako. Like, super ang Tokyo, Japan na. What's this? Papunta na kami ng Lapawon. Parang Sabang.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet.
So we're finally here at Lakawan Island. We're gonna be spending 4 hours here.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
They have a souvenir shop here, so let's see what's inside. Oh. This will probably be the last time that I'll be looking at Lakawan, so hindi naman sa ulit. This is our family cottage, number 5. I feel like I have a tan already. I hope so. We're praying to the Lord. We are heading back to where? To Bacolod. Kasi nasa Cadiz kami ngayon eh. This is what we're dealing with. This heat. I don't know how hot it is right now, but definitely more than 20 degrees. And we're gonna be moving back to the original island that we were in first time, and medyo nakakadalawa ng paningin tong tulay. We're heading back to the mainland. Everybody, it's now day 3 and I look really burnt because we had stayed like for 5 hours at Lakawan Island, so I really look red, sunburn yet. Probably have some. May ano na ba ako? I don't know if I have some tan lines, but I hope so. I hope meron. And yeah, we're heading to the airport and nagantay na lang kami ng van that will pick us up and then take us to the airport, and then check in on baggage because we had like lots of luggages. So yeah, I'll see you at the airport. So we're having one last look at our place. This is our house. Yeah. Goodbye to the world. Hello po, ito po ang aming driver. Si Alan Damin pong pinakamahabuting boss. Hello po. Ilongga po siya. I've been trying to do their accent.
Cathy. Parang pag nag-extend sila kasi may bagyo na 1. Pero nung umalis na sila, sabi namin, doon na kayo matulog, wala naman bayad.
We found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze.
New outfit to, sir. Huwag niyo kaming pagtawan, ha? Bago
Okay, I have just found the cutest magnet so far, and I really want to get this one. Like, ang ganda talaga niya. I'm going to buy this. Oh, ang ganda. May postcard din sila. We're now leaving Bacolod and heading back to Manila. We're back in Manila, everybody.
Yes. Back to reality. Back to reality tomorrow.
Ano oras ang pass?